Yeah.
Nothing for the ghetto.
The ghetto. J Love.
It ain't nothing for the ghetto. Because the shit is so motherfucking headless. Avarice, nigga. I don't give a fuck about these niggas. Because I'm just a nigga. They come with the trigger, with the 4-5, with a 9. What? I'm just got mine. So what? You got yours. So what? I'm gonna shoot your ass down till you motherfucking dead. Underground, 5 feet deep. I don't want you 6 feet deep. I don't want you 9 feet deep. Because I'm just gonna beat your ass out the grave both times, nigga. I'm just gonna get on mine and take it off the top to the motherfucking sheen, off the motherfucking bottom. I'm just not gonna be down on the bottom because the nigga on top of the game on this motherfucking song. I'm motherfucking showing up this motherfucking block. Hey, I'm just that nigga that's so hot. He's so clean, he's so mean. Hey, I love this shit because I love this motherfucking business that I live it in. Hey, I'm making this paper every day. I just was spraying up the motherfucking caper. Hey, I love this caper. Hey, nigga can't get none because you just sitting on the backside of the bus. Hey, I'm just sitting on the front, so we're just gonna get some of this shit. Hey.
So we gonna get some.
Get some, nigga. Get some, nigga.
We gonna get some.
Need some.
Getting the money, going to school, paying the bills. You know the rules. It's like another course, got an obstacle. Maybe the golf. Grab the balls, and then you cough. Is it physical, the lyrical out your mind that you can't understand the real meaning of life? Niggas don't even know your man. Why does this have to happen? The murder she wrote, murder machine. Killing niggas, I'm mean. Best believe I'm grabbing green, and then I chop it up. Smoking a blunt, grab my rock. So what the fuck, I might as well ride on to the past days. I'm in my past ways. Like it was another day. I'm living, tipping in life and striving for wife. I'm giving. You best believe I'm living every day of the week, every day at a time. Looking at my watch, trying to realize I'm grinding. I'm looking at behind me, seeing the struggle. Best believe I'm not doing everything. I'm living double. Every day it's a crime, every day it's a hardness that you can't realize, but it's in your mind. So try to see the truth or maybe even dream. Martin Luther King told you everything you needed to bring to true dreams. Maybe the dream that you never live. Got 0 on the clock and 2 times to give. You already know this ain't talking about life or the crime. I'm doing this every day, so life is my time. So I have to tell you, look crazy is driving a Chevrolet. So guess what? I live in this and then it's a better day in a better way. Look crazy ain't never told you no lies. They call me Jordan, then that's the truth. Giving God everything that I got. So I ain't living to see everything that I see, I'm living to be. The HTC is on record, recording the line. But lines never stop, and that's your life on time. So try to see everything, then giving your clothes. But they ain't talking about anything. Loving you old.
Oh, nigga, what? Cause what? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Can you feel this?
J Love.
This nigga. Look crazy.